Hello students, how are you all? Myself Mr. Shivam Dhemane and I am your English teacher. Today in this video, I will explain you about clauses. In the previous video, I have explained you about phrase and clauses. So in that video, I have explained you about some part of clause. According to the definition, clauses are defined as the words or group of words that convey suitable meaning and has combination of subject verb, and they have a subject and a predicate. Okay, clauses are the group of words that convey suitable meaning or that makes a complete sense on their own use, and they have subject verb combination, and we can say that they are with a subject and having a predicate. So like whose pencil was lost. Here, whose pencil is subject and was lost is predicate. While pencil is a subject and was lost is verb. So there is a subject verb combination and it is having a subject and predicate and conveying a meaning that somebody's pencil has been lost. So these words are said to be clauses. Clauses are of two types. One is main clause or principal clause and another is subordinate clause. Main clause or principal clause is used in the sentence independently because it conveys its meaning freely. But subordinate clause depends on the principal clause so that it can fulfill what does it conveying in the sentence or providing the message to the readers. Okay, so subordinate clause are of three types. Subordinate clauses तीन तरह के होते हैं. Noun clause, adjective clause, adverbial clause. As their name suggests, they play the role as per the meaning. Okay. As their name suggests, they play the role of various parts of speech. Like noun clause plays the role of noun in the sentence, adjective clause plays the role of adjective, and adverbial clause plays the role of adverb in the given sentence. Noun clause are used in the sentence in the place of noun. And how can we identify whether it is a noun clause? We can get the answer of the clause by using what? Okay, so they begin with who, how. Actually the clauses begin with how, whichever, whatever, whose, whom, that, when, etc. So these are noun clauses. Like they can be used as a subject, they can be used as a predicate, they can be used as an object of a verb, they can be used as a complement to the sentence, object to the participle, etc. Noun clause plays the role of noun in the sentence. And like we can say that Ram believes that ghosts exist. राम मानता है, अब राम क्या मानता है, that ghost exist, यानी भूत होते हैं। तो ghost यहाँ पर जो है वो उसकी परिकल्पना है, जो कि एक तरह से ये नाउन है, ठीक है। माधुरी इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन whatever he said या whatever she asked। तो माधुरी एक ऐसी लड़की जिसको किसी प्रकार की रुचि नहीं है कि उसके फ्रेंड ने क्या पूछा या क्या मांगा, ठीक है। Adjective clause are the clauses that plays the role of adjective in a sentence. They qualify a noun or a pronoun, and they are working to join two relative clauses. Adjective clauses join two relative clauses, and they are joining two sentences. They are joining two sentences. तो एडजेक्टिव क्लॉजेस जो हैं वो एडजेक्टिव का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, और ये नाउन और प्रोनाउन को क्वालिफाई करेंगे सेंटेंस में, ठीक है। इनके में भी इनकी जब हम इनको लिखेंगे तो इनकी बिगनिंग भी हु, विच, वॉट एवर, हुज से होगी। दैट भी यूज़ करते हैं, दैट, हु, विच, वॉट एवर, हुज हम यूज़ करेंगे। जैसे दिस इज़ द बैग विच इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर, तो यही वो बैग है जो किसका बना है, सिंथेटिक फाइबर का, ठीक है। द टेबल विच हैज़ अ ब्रोकन लेग इज़ माइन, वो टेबल जिसकी जो एक पाया टूटा हुआ है वो मेरी है। दिस इज़ द स्कूल वेयर आई यूज टू स्टडी, यही वो स्कूल है जहाँ मैं पढ़ता था। तो दीज क्लॉजेज आर क्वालिफाइंग द noun words in the sentence, like the school, the table which has a broken leg. So these clauses are adjective clause which are qualifying a noun or pronoun word. Adverb clause आप adverb का नाम आप सभी ने सुना होगा, and you are studying about adverb, and you have earlier known about this. You are familiar with adverb term because you have been reading it, studying it since your childhood. You have been read about it when you were in second or third class, and I have also explained you in the previous classes. So adverb clauses are used to qualify a verb, an adverb और an adjective। तो adverb clauses क्रिया, विशेषण और वाक्य में इस्तेमाल की जा रही है कोई दूसरी क्रिया विशेषण को भी क्वालिफाई करने के लिए यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं। सो adverb clauses are used to qualify a verb, adjective and another adverb. Okay, they contains a subject and a verb। तो adverb clauses में एक subject और एक verb होगी। वैसे भी आप जानते हैं clauses में सब्जेक्ट वर्ब होती है, पर एडवर्ब क्लॉज में भी सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब होगी। एंड दे आर कंजॉइंड टुगेदर, इन्हें हम सबऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉजेस से सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से जोड़ते हैं। जैसे आपने पढ़े होंगे सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस, ऑल्दो, दो, एज इफ, सच एज, बिकॉज, सो डैट। सो ये सारे क्या हैं, एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस। एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस जो होते हैं, एडवर्ब ऑफ क्लॉज ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ प्लेस, मैनर, पर्पस, रिजल्ट, कंपैरिजन के लिए भी इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं। सो एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस आर यूज्ड टू क्वालिफाई अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन। एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस आर यूज्ड टू क्वालिफाई verb, an adjective or another adverb that is used in the sentence. So there are three types of subordinate clause, which are as noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. So these are the three types of subordinate clauses that I have been explained you today in this video. I hope you must have understood about this essential topic of grammar, and it is considered very essential because in the higher studies or in the higher classes you have been knowing it very thoroughly, and it will help you very much so that you can complete your syllabus, or it will also help you in the higher examination. So this was the chapter explanation of clauses. So you can ask me if there is any doubt you are facing or you are not understanding about any topic, like if any such topic is there that you are not even able to understand, you can take my help or any other teacher help, so that it can help you and make you better understand by them. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day, friends. Bye bye.